Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make Oreo icebox cake. It's so easy to make and it's just 5 ingredients, so let's get started. In a big mixing bowl you will add your cream, icing sugar and sweet condensed milk. Mix this using a hand mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until stiff peaks. Our cream mixture is ready and I will split this into another bowl and I will add chocolate spread. Set one bowl to the side and add the chocolate spread to the other bowl. Mix this using a hand mixer until everything is well combined. Our chocolate mixture is ready. Scrape the sides of the bowl using a spatula to make sure that everything is well incorporated. I will put a layer of Oreos on the bottom of my container and then I will add the rest of my cream. Now it's time to add our chocolate mixture. Save some of the mixture to make swirls on top afterwards. I will put another layer of Oreos on top of the chocolate mixture. It's time to put our final layer of cream on top. Smooth it out on top. Place some of our chocolate mixture that we left before on top of the white one to create some swirls on top. Now using a toothpick, make swirls on top of our cream. And finally, you can decorate the top of our icebox cake with some crushed Oreos or mini Oreos. Our Oreo icebox cake is ready to go into the fridge. You will chill this for 2 to 3 hours and then it's ready to be served. Our Oreo icebox cake is nice and chilled and ready to be served. You can find all of the tools I used in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.